Use tool here is pretty cool. It's what they use for wire fencing, cutting it and bending it and such. Down in Texas there. I guess they have a fancy name for one of these things. I forget what it's called. But it's a little pointer. Me and my auntie down there can find out what that it's called down there. I think they're illegal, I was told. Whether that's true or not. Like so, maybe. No, okay. Alright, so there's going to be a bit more persuading going on there. So, let's try this vice grips here. All the way through. So, what we'll do, this might be heavy enough, but we shall see. Guys and gals, let's put it up there. This was right there. One corner that's sticking out more than the others. We'll pick on it. No, nowhere near enough there. Yep. One sec. Use the handle for this one, but there's another broken one. This is a fiberglass. You smashed pretty good there. Watch your face. To go on us. Now, with any luck, we can pop this sucker off easier. Alrighty. Now let's just not far though. You see, I haven't gotten around to mounting this sucker anywhere. That will be a project here in the spring. sucker all. Whew. That sucker all mounted. Back here. This corner here that's a pain in the arse. In the arse bag. Good whack on it.